Hi everyone, my name is Izzy Lavinsky, and today I'm going to be running you through a brief power flow to help you get out of your mind and into your body. So we'll start at the back of the mat. Bring your feet out about hips width distance. Inhale, reach up, extended mountain. Exhale, fold, bend your knees deeply, Uttanasana. Halfway lift, breathe in. And walk your hands out, high plank. And stack your shoulders right over your wrists. And take your gaze up towards the top of the mat. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, shift your body weight forward. Lower halfway, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Inhale, raise your right leg straight up to the ceiling. Exhale, knee to nose, crunch it in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step forward, high crescent lunge. Set your foundation down through your right foot. And as you breathe in, reach your fingertips higher up towards the ceiling. Inhale here one more time. Exhale, cactus and lunge deeper. Two more. Breathe in, reach up. Cactus as you breathe out. One more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. And spin open, warrior two. And ground down through the four corners of your feet. And set your eyes just slightly over your middle fingertips. We'll add in a little bit of flow here to connect with the breath. Inhale, reach back, peaceful warrior. Exhale, lunge deeper into your warrior. Two more. Breathe in, reach back. And find some more depth as you breathe out. Inhale, peaceful. And this time as you exhale, extended side angle. Right elbow comes to right thigh. Left fingertips reach up towards the ceiling. And you can stay right here, or you can find another variation. Maybe taking a half wrap or a bind. And here you want to focus on pressing your right forearm into your right thigh. So you can lift your heart higher up towards the ceiling. And stay for one more breath in. And rise back up as you breathe out. Inhale, reach back one more time, peaceful warrior. Exhale, simple twist. Press your left palm down, reach your right fingertips up towards the ceiling. And you can stay right here. You can make your way into a side plank, Vashisthasana. And press your left palm down, reach your right fingertips up. And take the Vashisthasana variation, lift your right leg. And stay for one more inhale. Exhale, right palm meets the mat and take your Hatha Low Vinyasa. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. And take a deep breath in here. And breathe out. Inhale, raise your left leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, step your left foot forward, high crescent lunge. And ground through the four corners of your left foot. Inhale, reach your fingertips high. Exhale, cactus and lunge. Two more, breathe in. Breathe out. One more, inhale. And exhale. And spin open, warrior two. Energetically driving down through the four corners of both feet. And here we find a little bit of that flow. So inhale, reach back, peaceful. Exhale, deeper into our warrior. Breathe in, reach back. And find some more depth as you breathe out. One more inhale, peaceful. Exhale, extended side angle. And same thing on this side. You can find your fullest expression. And this side might be different than the right, and that's okay. Find what works for you and your body. And stay for one more breath in. And rise as you breathe out. Flip back, peaceful warrior. And then we find that simple twist. Right palm grounds, left arm reaches up. And you can stay right here or find your side plank, Vashisthasana variation. Pressing and reaching. And take a deep breath in. And hide a low plank vinyasa as you breathe out. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And walk your hands back to meet your feet. Forward fold at the back of your space. Halfway lift, breathe in. And fold deeper as you breathe out, Uttanasana. And take your Uttanasana, Padahastasana. You can stand on your hands. And bend your knees as much as you need to. And release your fingertips down to the mat. Halfway lift, breathe in. And fold as you breathe out. Extended mountain, reach up. And draw your hands to heart center. Thank you for moving with me today.